Welcome to this video on cryptocurrency trading. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know to get started in the world of crypto trading. What is cryptocurrency trading? Cryptocurrency trading refers to buying and selling of digital currencies with the goal of making a profit. How does it work? Set up an account on a cryptocurrency exchange, transfer funds, and buy-sell cryptocurrencies. The crypto market is volatile, so understanding technical analysis and risk management is important. Trading strategies. Popular strategies include day trading, swing trading, and hodling. Choose a strategy that suits you and have a solid understanding of the market. Risks. Crypto trading has risks such as volatility, security, and regulation. Be aware of these risks and understand risk management. Cryptocurrency trading can be profitable, but it's important to have a solid understanding of the market and the risks involved. Continuously educate yourself and stay up to date with the latest developments. Thanks for watching, and we hope you learned something new about why cryptocurrency is good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.